this video I'll be showing you my process of creating the designs for my shop and also how I order the final products. Let's be honest, do you have something meaningful that you have been dreaming of starting for years but still haven't started? If yes, I was, and in some degree am, just like you. For years I dreamed of starting something of my own, a creative outlet for my ideas, and even though several times I tried a few things here and there, they didn't work out as smooth as I hoped for. One of them is writing books, another is being a YouTuber with an income to support myself and finance my other dreams. Looking back, I think what was holding me back was wrong prioritization, or that's what I thought. Basically, I would jump into commitments like a part-time job that doesn't actually support my dreams, or other commitments which would promise quick returns on investment, like a stable salary for example, but would end up actually trapping me in situations where I promised more than I wanted to fulfill. Now I realize that on a deeper level, the real reason I wasn't progressing towards my dream life is a fear of failing, or perhaps failing again. But now I set myself on a new journey. I promised myself that I'd try again. I'll put my all what I have into my new creative business for at least a year, with no excuses, and see if it works. Honestly, it's scary, but what am I afraid of? Failure, judgment? In my experience, antidote to fear of failure is believing in success. Looking at other people succeeding and saying, if they did it, then I can too. At least I know it's possible, and if it's possible, then there is a way, and I can learn the way. If you still work at the job you don't like, I'm here to tell you that you don't need to. At least you don't need to forever. Maybe you can write to your boss to tell that from now on you want to take Fridays off to work on your creative passion project you love. And yes, from now. You deserve to start your dream life now. And if you think you need those Friday salary money, believe me, you don't. You don't need another overpriced coffee or your endless eating outs. These are just bandages to numb your feeling of misery. No, what you really need and deserve is happiness. Don't trade it for lesser things. Tell me, what fear is stopping you from starting? Is it that it would be a waste of time? Or is it that people will judge you for putting yourself out there? But I want to ask you, why would you care of what someone thinks of you? Someone who doesn't care enough to support you. Instead, think of all the people you'll inspire, all the people who will follow your example, because you showed them one. Just think of that. After unpacking my long-awaited products with my designs, I'll share with you one of my favorite quotes. A quote which often pulled me from drowning in an ocean of overthinking all the what-ifs. But now let's see how my designs turned out on actual products. Look what I've got! All the packages they came! Yay! I ordered from the Redbubble. Let me very quickly show you how the Redbubble works. It's like super easy to order from there, and then we can open the packages. So this is a website where I order my products. You just need to go to a shop. Here it's very simple. You can either shop for products, let's say stickers, clothing, wall art, they even have pets. Or you can choose by explore designs, and here you choose a design you like. If you scroll down, you can see all type of products with this design. Some of my personal favorites are these cotton tote bags, spiral notebooks, postcards, and of course all type of t-shirts and hoodies. It's also very easy to pay. You can even pay with Klarna if you have it. Then you don't need to pay right away. You can pay like later. I often choose that option actually. What I also really like about Redbubble is that it has really
good social responsibility and like environmental responsibility. Like for example, they only print on demand, which I find important, like that there is no unnecessary like waste in the world. Also, when you order, they manufacture it from the manufacturer which is closest to your address, which I think is also lowering the costs of shipment. You can read more if you're interested about their different metrics. And there you go. Now let's open them. Okay, I've been waiting for this one, like for this is what I've been waiting and making. This is the idea I had before I had an idea to like start my art shop. This is what started it all. The smell. This is so cool. Wow, and some cards. Wow. Now I will be like MaCenna. Hi MaCenna! Thanks for the inspiration. I so much want to try it on right now. And if you want to see what else I printed and ordered from my collection, you can see it in my other videos. Now we can go and try it on and see how it looks.
Our deepest fear is not that we're inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we're powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? You're a child of God. Your plain small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We all meant to shine, as children do. We were born to make manifest the glory of God that is within us. It is not just in some of us, it is in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.